Hello student, let's discuss the numbers of exercise 3.3, that is understanding quadrilateral. Third number, can the quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? Here some bit is there and we apply its properties. Here ABCD is a parallelogram, mention the given condition. We know the opposite sides of parallelogram are same, but here AD and BC are not same measure and opposite angles are also here not same. So the sum of measure of adjacent angles should be 180 degree and opposite angles of parallelogram are same measure. But here A and C are not same and here AB and DC are same, 8 cm. But AD and BC are not same. One is 4 or another one is 4.4 centimeter. So ABCD is not a parallelogram. Similarly, angle A and C are not same. Angle A is not equal to angle C. One is 70, other one is 65. So that is not a parallelogram. Then draw a rough figure of quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. Kite. Kite is a figure or quadrilateral which is not a parallelogram but opposite angles are equal. Here AD and BC both are same and angle A and C both are equal. Now the measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Two adjacent angles are ratio 3:2. So let's take the ratio be 3x and 2x. Two adjacent angles are there. So 3x and 2x are two adjacent angles. ABCD is a parallelogram. So B equal to 3x and C equal to 2x. So adjacent angle sum is 180 degrees. So 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. 5x equal to 180. X equal to 36. So B equal to 3 into 36 is 108 and C equal to 2 into 36 is 72. So one is 108 and other one is 72. Next, two adjacent angles of parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Two adjacent angles of parallelogram are same. So here a parallelogram ABCD where two adjacent angle A and B are adjacent, both are same measure. So we can take A plus A equal to 180 degree, 2A equal to 180, then A equal to 90 degree. So value of A is 90 degree, then B is also 90 degree. Next, the adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram and find the angle measure X, Y and Z and state the properties you use to find them. Here HOPE is a parallelogram. Here Y is equal to 40 degree because is alternate angle. Z plus 40 equal to 70 exterior angle property. So Z equal to 70 minus 40 equal to 30. Now Z equal to EPH angle. So in EPH triangle X plus 40 plus Z equal to 180 degree at angle sum property. Then X equal to 180 plus 70. 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. So X is 110 degree. That's all.